Guys, welcome sa Siknayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus, no? And sa previous video pinag-aralan natin that the derivative of a constant is equal to 0, no? So pag nakakita kayo ng derivative tapos any number, no? Ang derivative niyan ay 0, no? And sabi natin yung the reason for that is that any number here represents a function, no? For example, 3, ibig sabihin niyan y equals 3. So y equals 3 is a function, it's a constant function, which is a horizontal line. And the slope of a horizontal line is equal to 0. Therefore, the derivative of constant is equal to 0. Huwag natin laging kalimutan na pag sinabi natin derivative, we are looking for, when you say derivative, it's the slope of the function. And the process of getting the derivative, by the way, is called differentiation. So, hindi ko pa yata yung napapanggit, no? So, again, differentiation is the process of getting the derivative, no? So, pag sinabi mong derivative or differentiate, pag meron kanyang instructions sa exam, ibig sabihin, you get the derivative, no? Okay, so, sa Calculus 2.08, pinag-aralan natin that the derivative of x cubed is equal to 3x squared. No? Naalala nyo. Now, notice kung ano yung pagkakaiba nilang dalawa. Okay, so, yung 3x squared, which is the derivative of x cubed, yung 3, para makuha yung derivative, dinigay natin dito sa harap. Tapos, yung exponent, binawasan natin ng isa. No? So, ang nangyari dyan, yung x cubed, no? Yung 3 ay nilagay natin dito. So, naging 3 siya. Mali yung arrow, no? But anyway, you know the, you understand the idea. No? Nilagay natin yung 3 dito. Tapos, yung 3, nagbawas tayo ng isa. Okay, so, yan actually dyan natin kukunin yung formula ng susunod na rule natin, no? Yung power rule na tinatawag. No? So, if we have the function f of x in general equals x to the n, where n is any real number, any number, then f prime of x is equal to n x raised to the n minus 1. So, nilagay natin yung n sa, nandito sa harap, minultiply with the function, and then we subtract 1 from the power. No? So, another notation for that, using Leibniz notation, so dx, no, of x raised to the n is equal to n x raised to the n minus 1. No? Yung isang notation natin. Ito yung notation ni Lagrange, no? And the other notation is the notation of Leibniz. Okay? So, we'll have a few examples. Halimbawa, x to the 10th. How do you get the derivative of x to the 10th? So, ddx of x raised to the 10th is equal to, so lagay natin yung 10 sa harap, 10, tapos x, babawasan natin yung power ng isa. 10x to the 9th. Number 2 is ddx of x to the 8th. So, ganun din. Lagay natin sa harap, we have 8. We have x to the 7th. Number 3, we have ddx of x to the negative 4. So, magiging negative 4. Then x. What is negative 4 minus 1? Negative 5. No? Be careful. Minsan, marami nagkakamali dyan, mga estudyante. So, pag negative 4, naging negative 3 na kasi nag-minus 1. So, be careful. Remember, we are subtracting 1 from negative 4. So, negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Okay? Number 4, paano kung iba yung variable? Nabanggit ko sa previous video, no? For example, t to the 1/2. So, paano notation nun? Magiging dt. So, t yun nandito. Kung ano yung variable dito, ito yung variable dito sa tabi ng t. No? This is equal to, baba natin yung 1/2, and then magiging t, and then magiging 1/2 minus 1, which is equal to negative 1/2. So, negative 1/2. Gusto maging positive yung exponent, magiging equal to 1/2, 1 over 2, t raised to the 1/2. Ito yung ating derivative. No? Now, last example, which is itutuloy natin ito sa susunod na video. No? So, paano pag may number naman? Halimbawa, number 5, we have 6. What is the derivative with respect to x of 3x to the 5th? No? So, gagawin natin is, pwede natin ilabas yung 3, magiging 3 times the derivative of x to the 5th, no? Which is equal to 3 times 5 x to the 4th. So, 5 nilagay natin dito. Tapos, binawasan natin ng isa, maging x to the 4th. But 3 times 5 is 15. 15x to the 4th. So, in general, pag meron tayong constant doon sa, pag hindi 1 yung coefficient ng x, no? The derivative of, meron tayong constant, no? Constant na c. And then f of x, we have an expression here. So, pwede natin ilabas yung c. C times the ddx of f of x. Or simply, yung c, ito yung c natin, dito ang c natin ay yung 3, di ba? Tapos yung f of x natin yung x to the 5th. So, from here, yung 3, ito yung unang form natin, di ba? ddx, yung 3 dito ay yung c, di ba? Ito yung c, yung x to the 5th, itong f of x natin. So, ang ginawa natin is nilabas natin yung 3, no? Nilabas natin yung c. This is the c. Tapos, kinuha natin yung derivative ng f of x. Ito yun. Okay, so, try nyo intindihin yung symbol, no? Yun lang naman ay general symbol, but later, we will have more specific examples. No? Okay, so that's it. I hope may natutunan kayo. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel and our Facebook page. Nandiyan yung ating website. So, puntahan nyo lang. No? Nandiyan lang naman yan. Para makita nyo yung mga pinupost natin. No? At babangan nyo kung yung mga bago tayong videos and posts. No? That's it. Maraming salamat. See you in the next video.